This video shows you how to do reports of the transactions you've recorded in Debonair. It's essential that you do reports of your transactions due to the fact that you have to legally retain your records of transactions for 6 years. Whilst DEB will endeavour to maintain your information on our server long term, we are in the hands of our hosting provider to ensure that your data is safe, and this is outside of our control. It's therefore necessary, as a fail-safe, for you to periodically take copies of your records for long-term retention. In order to have access to Debonair, you signed our agreement in which you agreed to do the reports as a means of safeguarding your recording efforts. You thus need to do reports for each bank account and for each cash account. This video will show you how to do the reports just for the bank account transactions. However, doing the report for cash transactions is very similar. To generate a bank account report, go to section 5 in the bank's transactions section. First of all, ensure you've chosen the required bank account that you want to do the report for. Then you choose the starting month for your report and the ending month. Thus, if you did a report from March to March, you would get a report that covers the whole of the month of March. Once you've done this, just click on Show Report. Debonair will then produce you 3 reports. The first one is the summary report. This shows you the balance at the beginning of the report period, the total of your receipts and payments during the report period, and the balance at the end of the report period. The next report is the receipts report. This gives you a detailed printout of all the entries that you've made relating to bank receipts. And similarly, the bank payments report will give you details of all the bank payments that you have entered during the period. To save these on your own computer or device, all you need to do is click on the PDF download logo here. You will find this on each of the reports. It's not essential that you print these out as long as you save them on your computer or device for long-term retention. And that's it. Please watch our video which shows you how to review the transactions that you find on your reports. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.